Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, metabolism. What is it, and how can we give it a natural boost? Simply put, your metabolism is the engine that powers your body, turning food and drink into energy. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories, even at rest, which is fantastic for managing your weight and feeling energized. So, if you've ever felt like your internal engine is stuck in first gear, stick around, because I'm about to share some simple, natural ways to kick it into high gear. Let's start with what's on your plate. First up, protein power. Your body uses more energy to digest protein compared to fats and carbs. So, including lean protein like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu in every meal can give your metabolism a nice little bump. Next, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. Aim for plenty of water throughout the day. It's a simple change with a big impact. And for all you coffee and green tea lovers, I've got great news. The caffeine in coffee and the powerful antioxidants called catechins in green tea can both temporarily fire up your metabolic rate. So go ahead and enjoy that morning cup. Now, let's talk about lifestyle habits that make a huge difference. If you want the most bang for your buck at the gym, try high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. These are short bursts of all-out effort, like sprinting for 30 seconds, followed by a brief rest. This method keeps your metabolism elevated for hours after your workout is done. Another powerhouse is strength training. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn around the clock, because muscle is metabolically active tissue. So don't be afraid to lift some weights. And finally, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of quality sleep can mess with your hormones, slowing down your metabolism and even increasing your appetite. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality shut-eye each night. Here, as a cool tip you might not have heard before, turn down the thermostat just a little. When your body is in a slightly colder environment, it has to work harder to maintain its core temperature. This process, called thermogenesis, can activate brown fat, a special type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. It's a small, passive way to keep your metabolic engine humming along. So there you have it. Boosting your metabolism doesn't require extreme measures. By eating more protein, staying hydrated, incorporating height and strength training, getting enough sleep, and maybe even enjoying a cooler room, you can naturally and effectively support your body's calorie-burning power. Start by picking one or two of these tips and incorporating them into your daily life. Small changes add up to big results over time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you soon.